Hello everyone, welcome back to the series, French for Beginners. Today is lesson 14, Countries, Nationalities, and Languages. All the countries are arranged in alphabetical orders. Let's get started. Germany is Allemand. The language German is Allemand. And for the nationality, for masculine or feminine, is Allemand and Allemande. For Canada is Le Canada. The languages they speak is English and French, anglais et français. For the nationality, masculine and feminine is Canadien and Canadienne. For China is La Chine. They speak Chinese, Chinois. And for nationality, masculine and feminine is Chinois and Chinoise. For South Korea is La Corée du Sud. For Korean language is Korean. For nationality, for masculine and feminine is Korean and Korean. For Spain is l'Espagne, and they speak Spanish, Español. And for nationality is Español and Español. For the United States is les États-Unis. They speak English, anglais. And for nationality, American and Americaine. India is Land. And the official language is Hindi and English, Hindi et anglais. And the nationality is Indian and Andean. Italy is l'Italie. Italian is Italien. And the nationality is Italien, Italien. Japan is le Japon. Japanese language is Japonais. And the nationality, Japonais and Japanese. The United Kingdom is le Royaume-Uni. The language they speak is English, anglais. And the nationality is Britannique. When expressing I go to, we use je vais, and we use à for when we go to a city, en when we go to a feminine country, au for masculine country, au for plural country. Let's have some examples. Je vais à Paris. I go to Paris. Je vais en France. I go to France. Je vais au Japon. I go to Japan. Je vais aux États-Unis. I go to the United States. When we ask people where do you come from, we can say vous venez d'où? Where do you come from? And the answer is je viens, and there is a preposition, de, when the answer is a city. We use the same de when it's a feminine country. We use du when it's a masculine country. And actually du is de plus le. And de when it is a plural country. De is actually de plus le. Let's get to the real example now. Je viens de Paris. Je viens de France. Je viens du Japon. Je viens des États-Unis. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching.